Turkey's largest city, Istanbul, hosted a fresh round of face-to-face peace talks between Russian and Ukrainian delegations. Following 3 hours of talks, the Russian and Ukrainian delegations respectively made statements to reporters. The Ukrainian negotiators said Kiev wants to see several countries such as Canada, Poland, Israel and Turkey as guarantors, which could provide international protection to Ukraine. Russian delegations, meanwhile, pledged to drastically decrease military activities in Kiev and the northern Ukrainian city of Chernihiv to create the necessary conditions for dialogue. They described Istanbul's talks as difficult but also constructive, noting that the presidents of the two countries might meet only when a draft of a peace treaty is approved.
Her aşamada taraflar arasında yakınlaşmanın arttığını bugün memnuniyetle görüyoruz.